March 29th, round number 4, on our way to Shadow Lakes. Unreal food spread today: banana, s'mores Pop-Tart, 2 slices of garlic, tomato and spinach pizza from Domino's, classic salad, spinach, kale, meatball. Here we go. I didn't putt that at all where I wanted to putt it.
I want to be like...
What the fuck? Force it home, brother. I'm pulling everything. I knew. That's way too fast.
Draw. Get in the hole. Oh.
Thanks, guys.
Mercy to Heineken.
Nope. Oh, fuck. That's a triple. Come back. That was such a horrible putt.
Friday, he charged me like 37. Yeah, I was gonna say he
I'm just pulling it.
Coming down the hill. Come down the hill. You want it or you want it?
I'll hold it.
Weird, right? Because I would think by the wear it would go left, right?
This is just bad. Right there.
Get over. Oh, Jersey.
Thanks.
Send it in, Jerome.
Send it in, Jerome.
Hit that hillside. It's nice, Garth.
Let's go. That's fast. Stop. Go in for me. Oh. Give me that shit, dude.
Nice, Garth.
Let's go, dude. some bitch shit. Stop. Yeah, I didn't know where it was going. Dude, it's oh, not even close. Oh man.
You had a better insult with the Pirates.
All right, we're dancing. It's just
In the hole. Oh.
great round, guys. Good playing with you. Post round presser. Just don't have much to say to that one. That was pretty embarrassing. Can't finish the rounds out, you know. Same thing happened last round. Couldn't finish it out. My goal is to at least shoot below 90. That's always my goal. If the score starts with 8, I think it's a success. And surely I thought I had it this time, but you try hitting a hybrid on a shorter hole. The driver was grooving all day. Try to hit a hybrid to be cute and lay up and just take it easy, and you put it in a bush. And you have to take a provisional shot. Turns into a nightmare. So that was really the unraveling. And I'm not sure why it unraveled so poorly after that. The hole after that, I was just all over the place. Approach game, you know, obviously I'm no Webb Simpson, you know, I'm no pro guy, but it's just not consistent and need a lot of practice. Need a ton of practice, and I'm aware of that. So, see you for round 5. Might be a while. We have some bad weather coming up. We got rain. It's Easter Sunday. Might try and play Easter Sunday. We'll see. Have a great night. See you for round 5. Actually, we're gonna go have a gyro and beer real quick. Let's go have a gyro and beer. Leaving Mike and Tony's, folks. Gyro and a beer, Labatt Blue specifically, always cheers you up, makes you think a little clearer. Just gotta keep grinding. Right on the cusp of greatness. Like I said, if I could shoot 85 to 88 every round, I'd be the happiest chap in the area. But these 93s, 94s, 92s, 91s not gonna cut it. So we'll see you soon. Hoping to play this Wednesday, have a round booked. Like I said, it's April showers currently, so might not be able to get it in. Gonna try our best, gonna be battling the elements. Hope to see you for that round. Have a great time. Have a great week. Enjoy your Sunday. Have a great week.